In this video, I'll guide you through how to authenticate your domain in Constant Contact. If you're looking to boost your email deliverability and ensure your messages land in your subscribers' inboxes, domain authentication is a crucial step. So let's dive right in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. This is where we'll be making all of our necessary adjustments. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a drop-down menu providing you with several options. From these options, you'll want to select Settings. This is where we can start configuring the advanced features of your account. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Advanced Settings and click on it. Advanced Settings is where you'll find more specific configurations that can enhance your email marketing strategy. Now, in the Advanced Settings area, locate the option that says Add Self-Authentication and click on it. This is a critical step as self-authenticating your domain helps establish trust with email service providers, reducing the chances of your emails being marked as spam. With the self-authentication option selected, you'll be prompted to authenticate using your own domain. This process is essential as it allows you to verify that you own the domain from which you're sending emails. Simply click Continue to proceed. As you follow these steps, you're adding a layer of credibility to your emails, which can significantly improve open rates and engagement. Next, you'll need to verify an email address. Click on Verify a new email address. This step ensures that the email address you're using is associated with the domain you're authenticating. Enter your email address in the provided field and then click Add Email. This action sends a verification email to the address you entered. Once you receive the verification email, open it and follow the instructions to complete the verification process. This usually involves clicking on a link within the email to confirm that you have access to the account. By doing this, you're not only verifying the domain, but also validating the email address, which is an integral part of maintaining a trustworthy sender reputation. And there you have it. You've successfully authenticated your domain in Constant Contact. By following these steps, you're setting up your email campaigns for greater success. Remember, authenticated domains improve your chances of reaching your audience's inboxes, leading to better engagement and results. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your email marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing!